girlies, welcome to my channel. I know you're already beautiful just the way you are, but what if I told you there's a version of yourself that can glow even brighter? Yes, I'm talking about that dreamy, dewy, glass skin that everyone's obsessed with. And guess what? You can start seeing results in just 10 days. This isn't about perfection, it's about giving your skin the love it deserves, using effective habits and products. Are you ready? Let's get started. Day 1 to 3. Hydrate your way to glow. Start your day with a big bottle of water and make sure you're drinking at least 2 liters every day. Invest in a good hydrating toner or serum for your skin. Look for products which has hyaluronic acid or glycerin, they're game changers. Day 4 to 5. Gentle exfoliation. Use a mild exfoliator to get rid of dead skin cells and reveal a fresh layer of skin. If you're into DIYs, try a homemade scrub using coffee, honey, and sugar. It's natural and helps improve texture, unclog pores, and brighten your skin. This step will make your skin soft, clear, and ready to glow. Day 6 to 7. Protect your skin barrier. Now that your skin is glowing, let's focus on keeping it that way. Use a barrier repairing moisturizer that nourishes your skin. Look for ingredients like ceramides, niacinamide, or Centella asiatica. And please, don't skip sunscreen. SPF is non-negotiable. It's the ultimate shield for your glow. Day 8 to 9. Brighten and target. These days are all about enhancing your natural radiance. Use a vitamin C serum to fade dark spots and even out your skin tone. You can also try a soothing sheet mask for that extra glow. Look for hydrating or brightening options. This step will take your glow to the next level. Day 10. The glow reveal. Day 10 is here, and it's time to admire your hard work. Cleanse, hydrate, moisturize, and look in the mirror. That glow, that's all you. Remember, glass skin isn't just about products, it's about taking care of yourself, staying consistent, and letting your natural beauty shine through. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.